Hi everyone. First of all, I sincerely apologize that I couldn't connect with you all, and it's been a long, long gap. Um, I had a lot of things to catch up with on the personal front as well as the professional front. So please do accept please do accept my apologies. I'll try my best to keep in touch. I couldn't really multitask on a lot of things, so I had to take a break of some sort, uh, get things together, and I thought might as well start afresh. So, yeah, hoping that everything will be on track going forward. So, let's get started. I am planning to read for the zodiacs, all the 12 zodiacs. Let's just do the monthly reading, the mid month reading to understand what's happening with each zodiac. This will be a generic reading, so please take what you are able to associate with and leave out the rest. Not every message is meant for everyone out there. All right. Okay. So we'll start with the Rider Waite Tarot and the Wisdom of the Oracle today. Let's see what the Wisdom of the Oracle has to say. Let's start with Aries. Aries, let's see how the mid month looks like for y'all. Um, it feels so good to be back. Feels really, really good. I feel this is my happy place. Yeah. A lot of y'all tried reaching out to me for readings, and I couldn't really get back. I promise that I'll get back to each one of y'all. Um, let's see. Let's see, Aries. Let's see what's there for you this month. Mid of the month, mid May for Aries. What's the message from the Wisdom of the Oracle? Community. You've got the card Community. All right. And you've got the card Building Blocks. Hmm. Aries seems like that you are trying to build something um, with the help of the community. Whatever it is that you are working towards, um, it is probably to build a sustainable society, to live in a happy and peaceful place, whatever it is that you can probably give to your community. Okay, let's see what the tarot has for you guys. I got a new deck. I was gifted a new deck actually. Let's see what this deck tells you all about the mid of the month for Aries. For Aries, mid of the month. You've got Empress at the bottom of the deck, Queen of Cups, Nine of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Let's not draw too many cards. Let's stick to a very specific direction. Let's see where what this is going to talk about. So you've got the Empress as your overall energy of the reading. This is your subconscious. It seems to me that you're building on something. You're probably building on, like, you're taking charge of whatever it is that you want to do. um, some of y'all may also be experiencing pregnancy at this point. Fertility, you quite fertile, so just be careful if that's not what you want. All right. The Queen of Cups, the Nine of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. Aries, whatever it is that you're trying to build this month, or wherever it is that your energy is going towards, seems like there is a lot of struggle that you feel within yourself. Probably emotionally, you may be a little disconnected, or um, the energy is not actually going in the right direction. You may seem a little emotionally unstable, um, a little difficult to balance on the monetary front for some, and for some, it may be actual energy draining situation. So be mindful of whatever it is that you're putting your energy into. Make sure that you are not giving up at this point. It is fine if you are juggling in between things. Balance will come because you do have control of your life. Um, of course, in life, nothing is certain. You're bound to experience uncertainty, and I think that's what you are right now into, and it's absolutely fine. We just had the full moon on the 5th of May. I'm sure a lot of emotional turmoils or emotional ups and downs we've all seen, irrespective of the zodiac, we've all seen it. It's absolutely fine to be in this place and know that life is going to go in the direction that you want it to go. Because whatever it is that you're building, you do have the support of the Divine Mother. Wow. When I said the Divine Mother, it just struck that if you look at this is the mom, the giraffe, mother giraffe, and this is the baby. So just know that the mother is taking care of you, and there is nothing that you have to worry about. If you all are probably sighting parrots, that could be one sign that you all are moving in the right direction. Um, all right. Let's see. Let's see the outcome of this reading. Can you show? Oh, it's the justice. The justice just fell out of the deck. All right. Um, Aries, it does seem like you are building towards bringing in some sort of justice, bringing in equality in whatever it is that you're doing. Whether it's building for um, it's whether it's women empowerment, whether it's uh, trying to help the needy, whatever it is, it feels a very social cause that you are probably working to. And for the others who are not really working on the social cause, and it is something that you are building for your, let's say it's your family or your own career, it does seem a little difficult, but know that it's absolutely fine to be where you are at and experience what you're experiencing, because there is something that you are definitely going to be learning out of this. All right, there is learning in every lesson, in every situation, in every circumstance that we face. So whatever it is that you are going through right now, just know it's just momentary. You will definitely go past, and you'll definitely achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. All right, if you feel drained at the moment, it's absolutely fine. Just know that where you are at is exactly where you are meant to be. All right, that's it for you, Aries. Stay tuned for the upcoming reading. I will let you all know what it is that I'm going to be reading on the next. Till then, may you all have grace. Thank you so much. Bye bye.